The role of construction in modern society. Construction is one of the most essential industries. It is responsible for shaping from houses, bridges, and skyscrapers. Construction contributes directly to the infrastructure and development of any country. Without construction, no cities, no transportation systems, and no public services as we know. Construction is deeply connected to human civilization. From ancient times, people have built shelters to protect elements and wild animals. Over time, these structures became more complex, leading to the development of architecture and engineering. Today, construction is no longer just about survival. It is about improving the quality of life. Homes provide security. Factories are where people work and produce goods. None of these would exist without the construction. The construction industry plays a significant role in the economy of every nation. It creates millions of jobs from engineers, architects, project managers, skilled laborers, electricians, and painters. Construction also supports millions of industries such as manufacturing, and real estate. In developing countries, construction is often a key driver of economic growth. Building new roads, railways, airports, and ports can open up trade opportunities and connect people to new markets. In urban areas, real estate development can attract investment, increase property values, and stimulate local businesses. Furthermore, construction projects can provide a long-term return on investment. For example, building a bridge not only creates jobs during construction, but it also helps people travel more efficiently for decades to come. This increases productivity.
Playing a game of whack quad here.
It also reflects the design of buildings, public spaces, signs of history, beliefs, and values. In many cities, architecture defines the skyline and creates a sense of place. The Great Wall of China or the pyramids. These structures
Chale.
but also in modern cities, green buildings and sustainable design show a commitment to environmental responsibility and innovation. Construction also plays a role in improving social equality. Building affordable housing projects, accessible schools, and public transportation systems. Good urban plans help reduce overcrowding and promote healthy, more environmental resilience. Therefore, the construction industry is increasing pressure to become more sustainable. This means materials, reducing energy consumption, recycling construction waste, and designing buildings that are more energy efficient. Green construction is becoming more popular around the world. Techniques like using solar panels, harvesting, and insulation systems help reduce the environmental footprint of buildings. Cities are also improving bike lanes and smart infrastructure to create more sustainable urban environments. Technological advancements. Technology is transforming construction. Innovations such as 3D printing, drones, artificial intelligence, and building are making construction faster, safer, and more efficient. For example, 3D printing can be used to build houses with drones can survey land and monitor construction. Architects to design buildings digitally, identify problems before they happen, and collaborate more effectively. Automation and robotics construction work. Robots can lay bricks, pour concrete, or perform dangerous tasks, reducing the risk of injury for human workers. These technologies are not only increasing productivity, but also helping address labor shortages. Challenges ahead. Despite these advancements, the construction industry still faces many challenges. Rising costs of materials, skilled labor shortages, project delays, and safety concerns. Corruption and mismanagement can also be problems, especially in large public projects. Climate change is another major challenge. As sea levels rise and extreme weather becomes more common, buildings and withstand harsh conditions. Resilient construction and smart design will be essential in the future. In addition, the industry must affordability. In many cities, housing prices are rising faster than incomes, leading to housing shortages. Government and developers must work together to create more construction is much more than just building structures. It is about building the future. It influences the economy, shapes society, reflects culture, and change. The construction industry must adapt, innovate, and take responsibility for making it better, more sustainable. Whether it's building homes for families, bridges that connect people, or schools that educate the future, construction remains one of the most powerful forces shaping human life. The role of construction in modern society. Construction is one of the most essential industries in the world today. It is responsible for shaping the physical environment in which we live, from houses, schools, to hospitals, roads, bridges, and skyscrapers. Construction contributes directly to the infrastructure and development. Without construction, there would be no cities, no transportation systems, and no public services as we know them. The foundations of society are deeply connected to human civilization. From ancient times, they built shelters to protect themselves from the elements and wild animals. Over time, these structures leading to the development of architecture, engineering, and urban planning. Today, construction is survival. It is about improving the quality of life. Homes provide security and comfort for families. Schools are places for children to learn and grow. Hospitals give people access to life-saving care. Offices and factories are where people work and produce goods. None of these would exist without the construction industry. Economic impact. The construction industry plays a significant role in the economy of every nation. It creates millions of jobs worldwide, from engineers to skilled laborers, electricians, plumbers, and painters. Construction also supports many other industries, such as manufacturing, transportation, real estate. In developing countries, construction is often a key driver of economic growth. Building railways, airports, and ports can open up trade opportunities and connect people to new markets. Development can attract investment, increase property values, and stimulate local businesses. Construction projects can provide a long-term return on investment. For example, building a bridge not only creates jobs through construction, but it also helps people travel more efficiently. This increases productivity